y'all? It is good to see you. I am glad that you are back at the channel today. We're going to be doing something a little unique today. We're going to be making crunchy taco chicken rolls. And what you're going to need is some Monterey Jack cheese. Here you're going to need a box of cheese crackers. I'm using Cheez-Its, the pepper jack. You're going to need a 4-ounce can of green chilies, taco seasoning packet, and the recipe calls for 6 chicken breasts. We're only going to use 2 today, just for demo purposes. So let's begin. We're going to start by flattening our chicken breast to about a 1/4 of an inch thick. We're going to cut 2 slices of our Monterey Jack cheese. We're going to take our Cheez-Its and put it in our bag here. The recipe calls for a cup of these with 6 chicken breasts. We're only using 2 chicken breasts. So, and then you got to empty your taco packet in here just like that. And we're going to crush these really, really fine. Okay, y'all, let me tell you what's going on here. These are supposed to be like chicken roll-ups. Impossible with the directions that I'm following. There's no way you could roll a chicken breast. I don't care how flat it was with the dimensions of the cheese. I've cut the cheese down to really tiny little sticks, like 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by, I guess by 2 inch. I guess that's what they really meant. So what I'm going to do is bread our chicken cutlet or chicken breast here in our Cheez-It crumbs, and then I'm going to put the cheese in the center of our cutlet along with some chilies and just fold it over. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven and hope that it turns out to be something absolutely spectacular, or else you'll never see this video. It's got to go in the oven. This is greased, by the way. It's buttered on the bottom. It's got to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, or until the juices from the chicken run clear. Okay, y'all, there it is. It looks pretty good. I gotta tell you, this is not how I expected this recipe to turn out at all. But we're still gonna try it. Still gonna see what it's like. Let me go ahead and cut a piece here. It smells pretty good. There's a close-up for you guys. The crust is really crunchy on there. So I'm going to take a bite. It's really not that bad. It's really not that bad. The Monterey Jack with the chilies, it's almost like a chili rellenos, but with chicken. It's pretty good. I mean, there's a nice subtle taco flavor. It's not overpowering. The Cheez-Its have a nice, crunchy bite. really impressed. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be, considering how the recipe actually turned out. I'm going to go and eat some more of this. It is really actually good. Look at that. Oh, man. Ooh, it's falling apart on me, though. Not bad. I like it. The more I try it, the more I like it. So, sorry this didn't turn out exactly like we wanted it to, but we still made it work. So until next time, y'all, I'll see you on the next one.